water collapse over fire to ready. Keep water. Come here with the pot there.
Come here with the pot there.
People will nearly miss something.
We nearly lose the whole pot of food.
People miss the pots. Alright, you see peep?
It's a come to come here now?
It's a come to come.
Food nice, nice food nice.
That is it, man. Broke the coconut here now. You know it's all about all in one. Curry chicken all in one pot, this, you know. Yeah. A little bit of water. Well, I didn't carry the coconut here as a backup still. I just use one coconut, so that one I did for backup. So actually I come up easily. I'll just ox it up and then grate it quick and fast, you know. Careful when you do this, okay? No knife. Put your finger, you know. See? Alright. Next piece, you know. I wash off the coconut, you know. Wash it off a second time. Alright, see what time o'clock I strike? Start grate up my coconut, you know. But if we go and fast, you know, because you know the weather is up against us from where they right now the place overcast, but still I make it work, you know, so gotta go on for water. Go on! Right on the river side. Sorry, I can't take a truck off. Feed the fish them same time. Down for the last pieces them. You know some little pieces, so actually this is it. Yeah man, so I juice the coconut here now. Get the thing going, so stay tuned. I get the coconut milk juice. Just do everything. So I get it well squeezed out. So I go on now. So I clean up the chicken. Yeah, this is like 3 pounds of chicken. Normally get out the skin and thing. So I try to cut it up small. I have no cutting board still. But let's see where I go on. I got my one so orange here for cut the rawness, so I get to it. This look like the breast. This is the breast part. So clean and cut as we go along. yard setting same, you know. No cutting board. Yeah, so you got to be careful when you're doing it like this. So you clean up all of this fat and them yellow they were dip on it. Let's go and stay tuned. I get in the sour orange now, cut some of the rawness, squeeze it in the water. Whole heap of juice in it, you know. And so wash the chicken, and then we can continue to cut it up in smaller pieces. So let's go and stay tuned. As soon as I season it up, we'll see it again. Alright? Stay tuned. I mix up the seasoning first up and take this is lemon and pepper seasoning. That look like a little bit too much. Take him out back. You see too much, even. Yeah, big up one of my subscribers there behind the camera. Well, I want to talk, you know, but they don't want to show up on the camera. Alright, so this is Jamaican, what is Blue Mountain curry. Yeah, so I know a better part this. So, and I also have complete season. I think this is more like a substitute for all-purpose. So, I don't have to use an all-purpose if I want. But you know, we are going to put a little Maggi in it. But the Maggi not there say yet. The Maggi, I don't know where Maggi there yet, but Maggi soon check in. Alright, so I mix it up here now. I just mix it up like this. And to me, this is really a better way to do it. Just mix up everything together and then we just soak him in. Not sure. And then we can just mix up. Yeah. I get in everybody, you know. It's well curried down, you know. You know, we are going to burn some of my curry also. So just go and stay tuned. So I get the fire set up here now. So I want to do this quick and fast, you know. See, like the weather out for change, by the way. Like rain out for fall. But let's see what I go on. I get it set up and light up and thing. Let's go and stay tuned. So I get the fire light, you know. Yeah. New lighter this, you know. Yeah. No, say on plate. Piece of plate we have, you know. See if it help me out there. If it check in on the fire too. When this catching on one, nothing can stop this, you know. It's big.
I put you up there for miss. You stay down there, sir.
Boy, what a way you put you up there for miss. Yeah. See you say that catch you now?
Hey, no more sketch. I me set up that thing I think I you.
Alright. Look here now. She catch a fire, you know. So if the fire now go through, she I get the blame. Oh, even fire. Jesus. Hey. Woo.
See fire movement, you know. I will say fire went down with that country, you know. Fire blaze. Yeah, you know where I eat this like coconut meantime.
That is it.
Pataguan. You know coconut clean out?
Coconut clean out?
You didn't know?
I never know that. I know have the water then say clean your heart.
No. The water clean your heart and you eat this and it clean you out. So you say you know get the coconut, you just go so. Any day, when you get more than what we are going to put in our pot.
So I go on now. Yeah, man, put it on the fire. Yeah, blazing. River peaking in the background. No more on that. Alright, so we are burning curry now. If it tell you when we stop, you know.
Pull it back now.
Yeah, no good.
Please stir.
Alright, if it go and stir. We get a new chef in town, you know. I like bulla and coconut. Gosh, carry meat come. Alright. Curry ready, you know. Meat for go in now, you know. One event in town. Yeah. See? I get in the chicken right away, you know. That is it. Teamwork, dreamwork, you know. Yeah. Big chef, you know them big woman there for an time there. Big chef them. You know for cook, you know. Yeah.
Rich and nice.
Yeah, you want the pot cover now?
Yeah.
See? Pretty curry.
Spaghetti golden color now. They match with the curry.
You say it again?
The golden color. To match with the curry.
Those straight white flour me I deal with today. Not my style still in a but I we are work with today, you know? Alright, so I get in some of the coconut milk. Not all, you know. Alright. Make it go and simmer down a little bit. Yeah, man. That is it. Stay tuned. So just mix up. So, I need up the door. You remember, like up the video. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, man, that is it. Now, one pot, I wonder if we can find a one pumpkin. Drop in it too. We are searching if we can find two cocoa same way. Put in it. Dip in a little more water. Like too much so. Alright, so
Yeah, peeps, so. No, we throw the other is a coconut juice in it. So this now, we have put the dumpling in it to cook it down. So see we season the scallion, onion, thyme, and sweet pepper. We don't have the hot pepper yet, but you know that will come next.
yeah, and garlic in it.
And garlic. Yeah. Alright, this are the all-purpose. We never the thrown on the night yet. Because we never have it, but now it come. This have to get the good taste, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll make this go and cook. Meantime it a boil, we'll make it dumpling and put it. Because you know when rain a come, so you know a one pot thing. Cover it.
Alright.
We hand them the wash already. Where I make big dumpling and small dumpling.
Small and big.
So I make dumpling, you know. See? I don't can't make it like the man them, but I do it for me way and them, you know.
Yeah.
Up in the pot. Woo! Look at this.
Yeah, tell it smell good too.
Smell.
Mm-mm.
People should not get some of this in case I force me to see this.
For the as it is, and I ask your pot.
We have a big little spinners too, you know.
Yeah.
You see, if they have banana people and throw like in that, You know that know something different. This would have come like run down one pot. But we are doing different style curry.
We might get a few more ingredients along the way still.
Next time we are doing, we are get dashi and cocoa. We have ripe plant here, so we have 2 plant now drop on the top of it.
Yeah.
Go and see my don't. We not cook for nobody, you know, we just cook for ourselves. Send your dumpling, they're still pretty still.
Oh, you bet ban them. Actually, could be able to come now video.
We can't make the dumpling them with the big finger, brother. But they say to make with the big finger. So me do it my way, and granny teach me that style. So we still have the granny in me. Yeah.
That
is
is it.
Style, you see me? Neat and pretty and round. See, we have the name you shape it, we eat them today.
That is it.
Smoke pan.
Yeah, use wood fire but smoke.
A long time I don't use wood fire, other people. Me don't know when me come.
Carry spoon come, Cindy.
Some big, some small. People me like the color of the pot still.
Good smell good too. Show them how I go on in a pot there. See? Yeah, pot a bubble. That is it, man.
When they make it dumpling in too big, because you know a roadside when they cook down a river. So you see everybody a pass them out one taste, you can force them to see it.
Collect a spoon.
So everybody go want one flour, you see me? So we just pop a cocoa leaf and put a flour upon the there. Yeah, we are going.
Cindy, take your baby.
Yeah, we are going to ease up the dumpling them that they don't stick.
That is right. Oh, catch spoon. Thing up, man.
Yeah, man, that's how we catch spoon. Catch it at a lie.
So catch it at a lie, catch a spoon a lie. No, you can't say that what we're cooking. We're not boiling, we're cooking. Don't say that.
What kind of food that you are cooking?
We're cooking curry chicken in a one pot like how you do the rundown with the coconut. Right. We are doing a different style today. We are trying the curry.
No, more dumpling line.
No, we're not cooking nobody. No. We just are cooking with self. Why? Should we say we're not cooking nobody? Yes.
Bowl, what go on?
Yeah, so we are putting some more scallion, you see me?
Scallion on time.
Scallion on time. See what we are telling about the banana, you know? So we are telling about the banana. And this time my thing in the pot, you know? The banana.
Say I deal with it. I say I deal with it.
Yeah. It's not take a time to cook. People may taste the food and tell you no.
Well, I drop in the pot.
Yeah man, the pot of more water, so make water go and drop in.
Got you covered there.
We not put them in there so long, we just go on, you see me?
Yeah, so we just get the banana, farmer pass by. So we live, you know. Nice eating banana. Can a spoon come there, girl? See what a pretty nice background? That is it. See one now where they behind the camera. I see there on the camera all the time.
So you see this now, no matter what you eat for water, you know, because this is going to cook straight down, you know. Straight down till
Why pretty man?
straight till it come to come. May I put the more rest of banana in it.
Till it come to come?
Yeah, till it come to come.
So they are outside on the roadside at the riverside, same way. That's around our pot. That is it.
Yeah, this is going to go and simmer down. We don't want no more water. Take time and simmer down. You see me say people the thing nice. You see the meat them start to left them bone? Yeah. So meantime we there cook people, we are going to burn them 2 plate there. You see me? We don't have no holy fire than eat the pot because we don't want to something there.
Roast 2 ripe plant.
Yeah, so we just go and roast 2 ripe plant and go and roll a bite.
That is it.
Yeah, I'm going to clean up at them here for years, so. Clean up. Clean up at the place. Because we don't deal with dirt place. Yes, peeps, so we get the pepper. So we are dropping in there, making go and simmer down. And thing you say, I take time simmer. Right down in where I want him to simmer go down. The pot of collapse over fire to ready. People watch her. Come in with the pot there.
Come in with the pot there.
People will nearly miss something.
We nearly lose the whole pot of food.
People me say the pots. Alright, you see peep?
It a come to come here now?
It a come to come. Yeah. Too much fire underneath it, man. The banana them soft already. Yeah.
So we're going for something to them.
And we have the pot them underneath the same way. The pot cover them
wash up.
Yeah. Can some water come and wash up this day? The peeps. You taste it. You taste the coconut. People, you taste the coconut combined with the curry. And the seasoning, the Maggi. The Maggi seasoning. I don't know if we should have burst the pepper. I don't know if we should have burst the pepper, but it want pepper. What the pepper there?
Alright, so food that she wrote there now. Yeah. That is it. We're up on the roadside. Okay. The first one is put it on the banana leaf. Yeah.
Jimmy.
That is it.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Better than this. That is it.
You go eat KFC burger and then something. And you know what them have to yam them same way, you know what them have to. So you yam the KFC. You eat the KFC or you eat the Popeyes or you eat the pizza. Or you nasty. Who are gonna eat no more?
You want more that?
I don't know.
Video or not video?
Yeah. She had the different pipe dumpling.
You know greedy. You need to tell the camera how it tastes them.
Shannon eat them part of meat.
Yeah, tell the camera how it tastes. I could know the video.
Tell her I go and see it. First time for the camera. If the food never tastes nice, in they would come back around here, so.
Couldn't come back twice. Food nice, food nice.
That is it, man. Where's the going lucky? Where's it?
Food right.
Food right, that is it, man. Carry not get none.
The food mad.
You say food mad?
Yeah, man, it mad. Look, if we not going to run it down, go down the river, to where mad, we'll soon run it down.
Right, that is it. I try check in for more now. I check in on the curry chicken. Wait, I not get no banana. I want to go on. Anyways, I'm checking in on the chicken now. Nice.
So make a pure water here.
Dumpling.